Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Printful to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, just go to the site that you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then here you're going to find all of these sections. So go all the way down and click on edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to the Wix editor page. So just wait it up to load. And then once loaded, this is how it would look like. So right now we're going to go to the left. Here you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. So here you're going to find add element, add section, pages and menus, site design, and here you're going to find add apps. Go ahead and click on add apps, and then make sure you click on app market, and then go to the search bar and search for Printful. After that, hit enter, and then right here you're going to find all of the results for your search. And here, as you can see, guys, the first result going to be Printful. Go ahead and give it a click, and then you're going to be in the application page. So once you're here, go ahead and click on add to site. And once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page. Go ahead and click on agree and add, and wait for the app to be added. So I'm going to allow the cookies, and then make sure you sign in to your Printful account, or if you don't have an account yet, just create an account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account, and then click on connect store and wait for the Wix store to link to your Printful account. And then as you can see guys, now your Wix store is linked. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.